Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review AlphaCX, and this AlphaCX is a customer support tool, and they're claiming that they're the alternative of Salesforce. I hope you are very familiar with Salesforce, guys. Also, they're the alternative of Zendesk and Freshdesk. They're saying that AlphaCX is an omnichannel communication platform that can scale up your customer support minus the extra workload. And if you see the lifetime deal pricing of AlphaCX from here, they're offering up to license tier 3, and the license tier 1 pricing is only 59 USD. Here you will get 3 agent seats, and if you need unlimited agent seats, then you have to get this 199 USD. And what this agent means, I will show it after some time. And as of now, I'm recording this video. This deal just launched on AppSumo, guys. And see, these are the features that you will get with all these tiers: unlimited client, unlimited WhatsApp messaging, unlimited Facebook Messenger, unlimited Instagram messaging, unlimited email to ticket. That means whenever someone will email you in a specific email, a automatic ticket will be created. Unlimited contacts, knowledge base, rating and feedback, SLA automation, and then they have automatic ticket distribution, report export, API integration, and team structure management. These are the things, guys. Now, without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of AlphaCX and let's explore how things work here and how it can be helpful for you. See, this is the dashboard of AlphaCX, and at first I will explore this setting option. And from here, see, they have integration. If I go to this integration, see, they have WhatsApp by Twilio integration, Facebook integration, Instagram integration, Twitter integration, then SMS by Tarmi integration, email to toolkit, and live chat integration. And I have already connected my Facebook. See, from here you will get a button like that. You have to just click here on this connect, and then you have to authorize your account basically. And similarly, they have live chat option. If I enter here, see, this is the live chat widget. So you are also getting a live chat widget for your website if you get this AlphaCX. And see, here are the title. See, this is the title: hello, welcome to Passivern. I have already set up these things, guys. And then here are the short description: we are here to help you to grow your online business. And see, this is the text: we are here to help you to grow your online business. And initial chat, you will be this one. You can change this text, and host website will be this one. In my case, you can change the colors from here. And then see, this is the mm, link, and you can also remove the footer branding if you want. And see, this is the script. Basically, you have to just copy this small piece of script, and then you have to just paste this script on the back end of your website. In my case, I am not pasting these things right now, but in your case, if you just paste this code on the back end of your website by using any plugin or by the help of your developer, then you can just embed this live chat widget on your website also. Similarly, you can connect your Twitter, your Instagram, and your WhatsApp here. And I have already connected Facebook and live chat feature. I'm not connecting these other features, guys, but in your case, if you want, you can connect this feature basically. I hope you get idea, guys. And then see, they have users and teams. In team option, you have to create multiple teams. See, I have created 3 teams: general, sales team, and marketing team. And if you want to add more team, just click here add team, and here let's say the team is video editor, and here give the description, let's say description here. And here you can select the category, and see, they have 4 kinds of category: complaint, inquiry, request, and uncategorized. Let's say I'll select here inquiry and request, and then just click on this create button. And then see, this team will be created. Now you have to assign your team members to these teams. See, they have users. If I go to this user section, see, I have 2 user in my dashboard. And from here you can just click here new user, and here you can enter the first name, last name of your user or of your team member. You can enter the email address, their phone number, and then you can select the team. Let me enter. So I have been entered the phone number and other things. They're saying that it should be valid. Okay. And here, see, you can select the teams, and see, these 4 teams I have been created in the team section. And if you have more team, then you will get all the teams which are here, and then you can select the team where you want to assign this person, and you can change his role. Let's say I'll give here supervisor, and then just click here on this create. See, this user has been added here. So these are the things. You can activate and deactivate this user also from here. After that they have profile setting and they have account setting, and from here you can basically change your profile and account details. After that they have automation. Now if I go to this automation, they're saying that automation policies help you to set up and maintain target for the duration within which your teams respond and resolves ticket. Fast matching automation policy will be applied to ticket to matching condition basically. And see, they have automation. Just click here, add automation, and here give a name. Let's say fast automation, and here ticket category you can select, let's say request category, and let's say I'll select the complaint category. Duration, let's say within 3 days. 3 days, and you can also select hours. I'm not selecting hours. Notification, on which channel and they will get the notification basically. Here you can select, let's say I'll select email, and here on 2 days and 3 hours after ticket creation, subject will be hurry up, and action recipients will be team. Let's say if I select a team, from here I can select my team, and if I select an agent, I can select my agent if I have the agent. So in my dashboard I don't have any agent right now, so I'll select here team. Let's say the notification will be go to these team members. After that, available placeholder, let's say I'll select agent ticket. You can use these things basically. These things are variable. So here, let's the message will be, maybe it can be, take the agent as up to solve his problem. Okay, not here agent, here will be maybe customer. Check the customer as up to solve his problem. And here you can give his category is this variable. Here will be his category name. And see, there have different formatting option. You can use this formatting option. You can add new action also here if you need. I'm not adding new option right now, but in your case, if you want, you can add. And you can delete the action just by clicking here on this delete action. So these are the things, and then just click here create. So in this way you can automate your work, and you can automatically send notification to your team member whenever something will happen. In my case, whenever someone will submit a ticket, and if the time extend more than 3 days, then my team members will get automatic notification, and then they will solve it ASAP or as soon as possible. But in your case, you can basically define here different automation if you want. So these are the things, guys. I hope you get idea about this automation option. After that, similarly, they have conversation setting. You can manage ticket types and distribution from here. You can assign notification roles to user from here. These are the things, guys. And here I have fields option. I'll explore this fields option after some time, guys. So these are the things. Now let me go to this option. See, they have inbox option, and see, this is one inbox. You can create your own inbox also from here. But see, I have already connected my Facebook. If you can see, if I go to my integration section from here, see, here I have been connected my Facebook. And now see, this is my Facebook page, and to my Facebook page I have sent one message basically from one of my fake account. This is one of my dummy account just for work purpose, guys. So see, I have sent this message, and whenever I have sent this message after connecting or after integrating my Facebook page, then see, a automatic ticket has been created. See, here is the ticket, and here I can see the messages basically. Here, hello, are you available? This message I can see. Now I can maybe reply here. Let's say I'll reply yes. Let, let's say I'll see, let me know your problem. So I have sent these two messages, guys. Now if I check to Facebook, see, here are the two messages. So in this way, you can connect here your WhatsApp, your Twitter, your Facebook, your all platform. You can connect here basically, and then you can manage all your messaging, all your customer solution from one dashboard, guys. I hope you get idea. And see, they have comment option. If I comment something here, here is the comment. Let's say here is the comment. So here will be the comment, and this comment will not be visible to this person, to your customer it will not be visible, it will be visible only to you basically. So these are the things. Similarly, see, there have emojis option, you can send emoji, you can send images, you can send any URL and attachment from here. I hope you get idea, guys. After that, see, there have my self-made inbox. See, these are the self-made inbox. Now how this will be created? See, they have customer option. Whenever you will create one customer here, then automatically one inbox will be created for them. Let's say I will add another customer. See, these are the customers to whom I have been added, and see, they have create option and here customer option. Just click on this create and then click on this customer option, and here insert the first name, last name. Let's say these are my customer detail, and here I have additional option, you can also assign them to different tags basically, and then just click here create. See, this Alex named customer has been created here. They have option to edit it and to delete the customer. And now if I go to the inbox section, here an inbox must be created. Let me reload it. So I'm not sure why the inbox is not creating, but here I have been added this Alex Stephanie customer, but inbox is not adding, but previously it has been added. So let me create the conversation at first, then we will explore this feature again. See, they have conversation option. If I go to this conversation, here, see, I have been added conversation. If I just click here conversation to add new conversation, you can add last name, first name. Let's say I will search here Alex, and then you will find the customer if this name has been added. See, here is the Alex Stephanie, and let's say it's in progress, and category will be request, and the priority will be high. And then here you can add the description. Let's say description here, and then see, in additional option they have channel, you can select different channel from here. Let's say I'll select here Facebook, and here have tags option, you can also add any attachment if you want. And then if I just click here create, then this conversion will be created. Now if I just click here, then see, under this customer this ticket has been created. That means this conversation is basically one ticket. And see, you can add multiple ticket under one customer. Let's say I have been added one ticket here. See, this is one ticket I have been added, and if you want to add more ticket, just click a new ticket, and then here you can give, let's say, closed the stage. Category will be uncategorized. Let's say priority will be low. Subject, let's say this will be a subject, and description here. Let me get some description just for dummy purpose here, guys. I'll copy this text, let's say, and then I'll paste it here. So these are the things, and then if I just click here create, and then this ticket will also be created. So I hope you get idea. This conversation is basically the tickets. So these are the things. And now if I go to the inbox, see, this Alex Stephanie inbox has been created now, guys. And now if I enter here, see, here I can see all the details that are happening with this customer with his tickets. So these are the things. So I'm sorry, guys, if you create customer, this inbox will not be created. If you create conversation, or if you create any ticket against one customer, then this inbox will be created. I hope you can get idea, guys. And then now you can basically here chat, hello. See, here you can chat, and your team member can chat with each other, and then you can do your task from here. And see, there have the conversation ID. Here is the conversation ID assigned to, and work phone, email address, and then they have update option. You can update these things from here if you want. And here you can filter, and depending on different stage you can filter. You can see only the open tickets, only the in progress tickets, only the closed tickets you can see, and only the overdue tickets you can see basically from here. So these are the things. And you can also filter according to different channels. Let's say you want to get only the support who has been contacted through Facebook. If I select Facebook, see, this person has been contacted through Facebook. And if you select your Instagram, then you will see all the person who has been contacted from Instagram. But in my dashboard, no one has been contacted from Instagram, that's why I cannot see anything here. So these are the things, guys. I hope you get idea, and it's very easy to use. You have to just add your customer, and then you have to add their conversation or ticket, and if they send you any message, then they will be added automatically, guys. You do not have to do these things manually, they will be added automatically. You can set up your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter, your email, and if anyone send you message via Facebook, Twitter, or to your Instagram, then they will be added automatically here. If anyone send you any email to your specific work email, then they will be added automatically to this conversation, and then you can manage all their concerns and query from this single dashboard. These are the things. And the last feature that I want to show you, this report, guys. So see here have the reporting, and here have in details report what is happening on your business and on your customer support. And you can see depending on various channels, basically from here, see you can enable and disable these things. And you can see ticket category, how many complaint you have, how many inquiry you have, how many requests you have, and how many tickets are uncategorized. You can see these things. Total ticket, you can see assigned tickets, you can see overdue tickets from here. And here you can get the conversation rate. You can filter it depending on various channel also. So these are the things, guys. I hope you get the idea about this AlphaCX tool, and it's a great and very easy to use customer support tool. So if you think as you need this type of customer support tool for your business or for your personal growth, then you can get this AlphaCX lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the link of AlphaCX lifetime deal in the description and in the comment section of this video. It's an affiliate link, guys. You can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on AlphaCX lifetime deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business, and join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.